Today I'm going to be doing a Greek salad like they do in downtown Greektown in Detroit. So here we go. Turn on my light. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start out and I am going to do about half olive oil and half red wine vinegar. You can use whatever kind of vinegar you like. This is going to be my Greek dressing. Then I'm going to put probably, I don't know, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, maybe about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And let me get a spoon. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, not a lot because I'm going to be using feta cheese and some pepper. And I am going to mix that up and set that off to the side. And now I'm going to start out with my tomatoes. I've got these cherry tomatoes and I'm just going to cut them in half. That's what they do. Like so. Once I get those cut up, I'll get right back. Start on the red onion. I wanted to tell you that my girlfriend and I, when we went downtown Detroit, we had this version of their Greek salad, and I'm telling you, it is so yummy. With no lettuce, believe it or not. Kind of try to cut your red onion a little bit into fine little wedges, not wedges, little slices. Put that in. I was so shocked when they brought this out that it did not have lettuce. And I was pleasantly surprised. And now I'm going to take just regular cucumbers and I'm going to peel them just a little bit, not totally. Just to get a little bit. These are from a garden, so they do not have the wax on them. So they should be okay. I'm going to cut those up kind of thin too. This is such a colorful salad and your guests will love it. I'm telling you, it is so yummy. I was going to use 2 cucumbers, but I think I'm only going to use 1. That in. And they did not have pepper in theirs, but I love red pepper. So I am going to put some red pepper in mine. Just kind of cut it thin. I'm going to heat up a couple pieces of frozen pizza for dinner. And I thought, oh my gosh, this will taste so good with it. I found out when I eat a little bit of salad with pizza, it digests better. When you're almost 70, you gotta consider all those things. I'm going to be 70 years old on September the 8th, and it totally freaks me out. I almost was going to cut that up more, and I don't want to. All right. Just a little bit. Okay, so that's all the veggies that are going to be in it. And now, look at that beautiful colored salad. Now I'm going to take these Kalamata olives, and I'm going to put some of those in there. These are pitted ones. You don't want the ones with the pits. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of the juice, and that adds a little salt too. And then I'm going to be putting feta cheese crumbles. Probably going to put, I don't know, half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. And then I'm going to be adding this wonderful Greek dressing that I made. Get all those yummies out of there. And then just stir it up. And this lasts in the fridge for a while too. It you don't have to worry about it going bad right away. It tastes so yummy, you wouldn't believe. And then break up those onions a little bit. If I would have used, like, if you don't want it to be so dark, you can use like just a regular vinegar that's not so dark. And then serve it in your little dish. Make it look pretty. And there you have it. Look at that beautiful Detroit Greektown version of Greek salad. And if you've ever been to Detroit, go to Greektown. It's awesome. And thank you so much for watching. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Love the Lord with all your heart. And till we meet again.